Hi guys, with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how you can replace the tempered glass protection screen on your iPhone. This is the iPhone XR, and I will show you how you're gonna take it out, the older screen protection. Actually, it's broken this side. What are you gonna do? Underneath, you just go with this card, any card, or it's like plastic card, anything that you have in your hand, in your house. Just go underneath. Just go underneath this, and then just press in, say like this, and it's came out. So one other thing that we're gonna measure this new one, that if it's the same, then we can go ahead and start it, put the screen protection. Yeah, it's the same. Let's go and start. We have two different cleaner. One is like dry, one is wet, as you see, like right there. Maybe it's not clear, but it bring together like one is you're gonna start with this, clean the screen, and second you have to dry it. All right, guys, let's go ahead and start it. And this is the one here. Here you are. Oh, this is actually it's not wet, but anyway, what you do, just clean very clean it everywhere. Just make it so clean. Yeah, this is it. Just clean it. With the other one, second one, and what you do, dry. This is the dry one. And just take it out and clean with this too. I mean, dry it. Yeah, like this. Yeah, this is the way. Yeah, as you see, it's almost there. Let's go ahead, clean it a little bit more. Yeah, you need to clean it very well. That you don't need any dirt under the protection. Yeah, just like this. Yeah, very good. Yeah, it's good. Very nice. Hold on a minute. Okay, it's clean already. What we're gonna do, very carefully. Oh, let's see, little dirt here. Okay, what we're gonna do now, just turn in. This is the top side, right there. What you do, just take it at this part and pull it. When you pull it, it comes out, right? And then just hold it sideways. Don't touch underneath. Just measure where it's gonna go. Okay, just measure it. Just go ahead Alright, the other way. Okay. Okay, just measure this side. Just, okay. Right there. Hold it with your finger right there and bring it down. And slowly lift the screen, protector itself. Whatever, just push a little bit. Do you see like bubble? It's gone. A little bit more, and just push it. Yeah, just push it. Yeah, exactly. So this is the way you're just putting the screen protector. Yeah, just so easy. Get clean one more here. Okay, this is the way it is. Right there. Clean it. Alright, this is it. Yeah, thank you guys watching. This is the XR iPhone and screen protection replacement. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.